Hello everyone and welcome to another story. Let's take a look inside my basket today and see what we can find. Something light and long. What's this? It's a feather. Where do you find feathers? I'll let you work that out. I've also got some other things. Some flowers. A pink flower and a white flower. And in our story today, there are some treasures just like this. Some feathers and some flowers and some other things. Our story today is Naya's nest. High in a tall tree on the forest savannah lived Naya the Owl. She loved to make things, twig towers, leaf hats and sparkling wind chimes. Her nest was the most beautiful home in all the land. Every evening, her neighbours came to see it. It twinkles and tinkles in the moonlight, said Meerkat.
It's the best nest I've ever seen,
said Giraffe. Naya would smile and say, think it, make it, try again. That's how bright ideas begin. One hot dry day when the ground was cracking and the water holes had vanished, a wild wind began to blow. Shoo-woo, shoo-woo, went the wind. Creak, snap, went Naya's nest. Then, whoosh! A mighty gust tore through the tree. Leaves whirled, twigs tumbled, and Naya was tossed into the air. Flap, tumble, bump. She landed with a puff of dust on the dry, hot ground below. When she opened her eyes, she gasped. Her beautiful nest was gone. And her favourite feather had floated away. Oh no, hooted Naya. I'll have to build my nest again. Think it, make it, try again. That's how bright ideas begin. Naya chased her feather across the savannah until she reached a patch of soft grass. A loud yawn made her jump. Ooh! It was Lion stretching sleepily in the sun. Lion, said Naya, my nest has blown away and my feathers are gone. What can I use to rebuild my home?
You can take a piece of my golden mane,
said Lion kindly. He shook his head and a tuft of warm, soft fur floated down. Oh, thank you, Lion, said Naya. This will keep me nice and warm. Think it, make it, try again. That's how bright ideas begin. The wind blew again, shoo-woo, and Naya's feather danced away, landing in a hole in the ground where she heard a scrape, scrape, scrape. It was Meerkat digging for roots. Meerkat, my nest has blown away and my feathers are gone. What can I use to rebuild my home? You can have some of these strong roots, said Meerkat, laying them over Naya's wings. Oh, thank you, Meerkat, said Naya. These will make my nest strong. Think it, make it, try again. That's how bright ideas begin. The wind swirled again, whoosh, and the feather landed near a watering hole. Went Giraffe, drinking with his long grey tongue. Giraffe, said Naya, my nest has blown away and my feathers are gone. What can I use to rebuild my home? What about some beautiful flowers? Said Giraffe. He reached up high and plucked down a bunch of rainbow blooms. Oh, thank you, Giraffe, said Naya. This will make my home colourful. Think it, make it, try again. That's how bright ideas begin. A final gust of wind, shoo-woo, sent Naya's feather tumbling into a deep, dark hole. Inside, she heard hiss. It was Black Mamba, shedding her shiny skin. Mamba, said Naya, my nest has blown away and my feathers are gone. What can I use to rebuild my home? Oh, you can have my old skin, said Mamba kindly. I don't need it anymore. Oh, thank you, said Naya. This will make my home waterproof. Think it, make it, try again. That's how bright ideas begin. The wind gave one last sigh. Shoo-woo, shoo-woo, and dropped Naya's feather gently on her head. Gathering her gifts, Naya flew back to her tree. She worked all night, planning, building, weaving and creating. Finally, she stepped back to admire her new nest. Lion's golden mane made a soft and cosy bed. Meerkat's roots held it strong and firm. Giraffe's flowers made it bright and sweet-smelling. And Mamba's shiny skin kept it safe from the rain. Naya ruffled her feathers proudly and said, I plan, I create, I prove. That's what creative makers do. And that's how Naya the Owl earned her learner power, the power of creativity, to use her hands, her heart, her ideas, and the help of her friends to make wonderful things. And that's the end of our story this week, everyone. I wonder if you can find some treasures to make a new nest at home. I'll see you next time. Bye.